Hi, I created this video today to share with you a little bit about me and to give you an introduction. So my name is Erica Springer, and right now I am currently teaching at Cedar Lane Elementary School, which is in Middletown, Delaware. I am a second grade inclusion teacher, and I am primarily focusing on ELA this year. My partner teacher, she actually will be focusing on math, and then we'll kind of go back and forth once the school year gets started and kind of teach everything together. But right now we have our own focuses thus far. And it's actually my fourth year in second grade, and it's my fourth year teaching. So I've been in second grade all of those years, but this year, like I said, is my first with another person, so it's my first time with inclusion. So it's an adventure. So some experience that I have is I've actually been working with kids for 11 years. So I started when I was in high school, and I was working at a daycare. But then when I began college after graduation, I went ahead and just kind of alternated myself to a different daycare, and I did a before and after school program. I did a summer camp, and last year I actually taught summer school within my district, which is the Appoquinimink School District. So, do you have it in you to become one? And by one, we're talking about an instructional designer. My answer is yes. I think so because I feel like I already do these things, so it's not really a huge difference in my opinion. I already engage my students. I, present whatever it is that we're doing in a meaningful way that could also be a fun way. I feel like I am able to identify and also relate to my audience, which is my second grade class, and breaking my instruction down into smaller components is another thing that I already do. So I feel like I am on my way to becoming an instructional designer. Now, when I'm teaching, my instruction includes a whole group lesson. Sometimes we have small group activities or a differentiated assignment or some group problem solving, which are all part of this design. Now, the characteristics that I feel like really represent why I am doing what I'm doing is I feel like I'm motivated to want to do what I do every day. I'm able to comprehend and teach others new information. I feel confident in brainstorming. I feel as though my language skills are pretty decent, and I'm a creative person. So I feel as though an instructional designer would describe where I am going in my professional career. So that's all about me. Thanks.